In this module, we're going to explore why selling digital products is one of the smartest and most powerful business models you can step into. You'll learn why digital products offer unmatched freedom, massive profit margins, and the ability to scale without limits. We'll break down what makes this model so unique, how it compares to traditional businesses, and why more people than ever are choosing to build their income around digital products, even with no audience and no experience. Let's take a closer look at why digital products are changing the game and how they can change yours too. Imagine a business that never runs out of inventory, where you create a product once and sell it repeatedly with little overhead. That's the power of digital products. They're not limited by physical constraints, shipping logistics, or massive production costs. In fact, every digital file you create can be sold over and over again, opening up a limitless revenue stream. Digital products are inherently scalable. You're not trading time for money. Once your product is out there, it works for you 24/7. This means that even when you're sleeping, your digital product could be generating sales. And with the growing global online market, your potential customers aren't limited by geography. Another incredible advantage is flexibility. Digital products allow you to test ideas quickly, pivot when needed, and continuously improve your offerings. Whether you're repurposing content from a PLR library or creating original material, you have the freedom to innovate and adapt without huge upfront investments. What's more, digital products give you the power of passive income. With effective funnels and smart automation, you can set up systems that nurture leads, build trust, and drive sales, all while you focus on scaling your business or even enjoying your free time. The unlimited potential of digital products isn't just theory, it's a proven model. Entrepreneurs around the world are harnessing this model to achieve financial freedom and live life on their own terms. And now, you're going to learn exactly how to do the same. Today, digital products aren't just a side hustle. They're the future of online business. With PLR and other digital assets at your fingertips, you have the opportunity to create a thriving business without needing to reinvent the wheel every single time. By rebranding, enhancing, and marketing these products, you're tapping into a resource that has the potential to generate unlimited profits. So if you're ready to break free from the limitations of traditional business models and embrace a future of financial abundance, you're in the right place. In the next lessons, we'll dive deeper into how to find your niche, create your digital storefront, and build the systems that make this dream a reality. Let's harness this limitless potential together. Get ready to transform your ideas into a digital empire.